Hi, this is Christian Fint for ABP Tech International and ABP Tech Canada. Today I would like to show you how to use webhooks with the Kentix SmartXcan. So I'm logged here into the SmartXcan. First I have to make the definition of the webhook. So I click to Configuration, Webhooks, and then I'll add a webhook by clicking on the orange plus. So I'm creating the webhook. I copied in the URL for the test site. I'm using here the webhook.site for test purposes, no authentication and plain text. This is basically the basic webhook which is created when you click create. And now we'll basically save it. And here it is. So now we can also test it. So the first time we'll test it is basically clicking on check webhook. And if everything goes according to plan, yeah, successful, so we check it out. So we have everything here. Of course, this was a test, so all the variables are basically empty. Now let's do a real test. And for that, we have to go into, first of all, users. So as you can see here, Christian Fint, and I basically gave myself a RFID token. Here it is. And in the sensors, under sensors, multi-sensors, I have to add the webhook down here, actually. And I have to say, okay, what do I want? All body temperature measurements. And then I use the test. I click save. Okay, so now it is saved. Otherwise, nothing would be happening. So this is basically, first you create it. Second is you tell the system when to use it. So in this case, for all body temperature measurements, trigger the webhook. I'll save it. And now we'll test it. So here is the RFID token. I'm scanning myself. And now we should have one new scan. Here it is. So now we have the time and the date, street address, body temperature, everything's basically in there, everything is normal. Now of course I can add into the webhook more than just the standard information. So for example, I'm adding right here, let's say because I have a RFID token, I'd like to have the RFID ID in my webhook. Could also be the username, but in this case I'm simply testing the username RFID, the RFID ID. Okay, and now we'll check it again. And as you can see here, now the RFID token ID has been submitted. That's how easy you can use webhooks with the Kentix SmartXcan. If you have questions, please put them below and I'll answer them. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.